Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to organize project on Asana. So this is very simple, just follow this step. First of all, you can see we click on board. Now you can see there are many tabs and sections. Now what we need to do, just click on plus option. Now you can name it like I am writing the doing name. You can also remove the tab from one section to another section. So just see how you can organize a project. So now I am typing this random name on this section in progress. So you can also add tasks here, like I am typing the random name here in progress. So you can also go to details. So one by one you can add multiple details of all the tasks and section. So you can see we have simply organized it. You can also delete this task. You can also add more section. So you can see we have added 4 section and multiple tasks on this project. So now you can see we have added another section. So you can also change the one by one details of every task like I am doing. So in this way you can simply organize your throughout project on Asana.